Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix YI Home app not working. So let's get started. So here we will just go, and here we can see YI Home app. So if it's not working, you have to follow these steps. So the first step is to click on here, then click on this I button. After that, go and here click on storage, then clear the data. Okay, then you can open the app. If it's open, then fine. If it's not open, you can go for the update. You can go to the google.com, go to it here, by home app, then at here you can see for the update. If it want update, update it and use it. If it is fixed, then okay. If it's not fixed, you have to reinstall. Click on here, then click on uninstall, click on ok, and it will be fixed by reinstalling it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.